Friends, subject science, class 7th. Today's topic is nutrition in plants. As we human being need food to survive, in the same way the plants also need food to survive. How they grow, how the plants, all plants get their food from which type of things they need. Today, in this topic, we want to know about all of these. Nutrition in plant. Not only plants need food, healthy plant need healthy things to eat. As we need vitamin A, B, C, and some of other balanced diet and some of things. Just like to us human being, plants also need the proper things to survive, to be grow in a good manner. So, in this topic, we have to pay attention towards nutrition in plants. First one, introduction. Introduction. Plants need what the plants actually need: sunlight, water, minerals, fertilizers. To grow a plant in proper way, the plant need proper fertilizers, proper light, proper water, and also the fertility in land. That is major factor. Mode of nutrition. In human being, we need food. We can't prepare our food by our salvage, but plants, they have some special feeder that is known by the autotrophic. That means auto means self. Plants prepare their food by themselves, itself, as we can say also. Food making process in the plants, by which method the plant make its food. For this process, the plant need carbon dioxide. As we know well that we exhale carbon dioxide and inhale the oxygen, and the plants exhale oxygen and take the carbon dioxide. In such way, the plant, whenever it prepare or get its food processed by in it, carbon dioxide plus water need the main source. Then chlorophyll second and sunlight, glucose plus oxygen. We know well about it. All of the plants release the oxygen and take carbon dioxide, and we human being take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. In this way, in nature, plants and human being maintain balance, taking oxygen and carbon dioxide. And now in factors affecting, some of the factors which affect the growth of plant, the process of making food for plant. These are light. We know if the light is so heavy, in today's scenario, I like to mention you that in the month of June, some of plants are destroying due to sunlight, because the temperature is more than 50. And in it, so plant making food in this process need proper light. Proper light, nature of light, that means sunlight. Plant not need any of, you have to on the tube light inside your room's garden, and you think that the plant make its own food. No. Nature of light, that means natural light, sunlight, and carbon dioxide and water, and need a proper temperature to grow it. So students of class 7, Neeraj, Pankaj and some of others, I think it's enough for today. You have to learn the lesson, make some of questions and their answer as I explain always in the classroom, and also sending you the answer of your topic in PDF. Okay, have a good day. That's enough for today.